Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool pink 500 rotary desk telephone, and this is Patty's telephone from New Jersey. And we just finished off a pink Princess telephone for Patty, and now we're going to repair her 500 set here. And this is the initial checkout. So basically on these telephones, Patty wanted to keep any original handset cords, line cords. She's going to go ahead and clean this up. She said she's done that once before, or cleaned her cords before. And so she's not worried about that unless they're bad, and then we should replace them. Now the dial center card in these telephones, she wanted us to leave them also. Now this one was off-centered, and so it was turned. So we straightened it out for her. It is the original card that was in the telephone when it came in, but we straightened it out so it looked a little better and not off-centered. And another issue with this telephone is since this is the initial checkout, I kind of want to show it to you. These telephones were in good condition. She's had them for a long time, and they've been packed away, and now she wants to get them repaired and start using them. Now, we have the body loose on this telephone, so we're just going to go ahead and remove that. But I had explained to Patty there was an issue here with this corner. It's got some kind of, like it got dropped on some kind of fiber or something. It looks like maroon fiber or something, or almost reminds me of some kind of carpet or something, but it was packed in newspaper, so or in some paper, so I know that wasn't the issue. So wherever this was stored or packed away at, it must have got this in there. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. I think we can stabilize this crack. I want to go ahead and remove that. It's some kind of carpet or something to that effect, but we should be able to clean this corner up and kind of stabilize the crack, but whatever that was, it lodged itself into the corner and there was a crack there. So we can try to straighten that up a little bit for her and go through that and take care of it as best we can. Now we want to go through the rotary on this telephone. I want to go ahead and remove that now because we want to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary. Now we have the rotary loose, and we want to show you that because we want to get in and clean, oil, and adjust this rotary. So we'll also take care of that. And any other issues that might be going on with this telephone, I want to give you a look at it. It has the older style network and the older style bells in this telephone. But overall, these telephones are in very good condition for their age. And this has a date code of 1165, it looks like. Another issue that we want to take care of is the line cord. Someone has installed a modular line cord. This would have been a hardwired telephone at one time, but the clip is broke off the modular plug. So we want to replace that and get that taken care of. So we're going to take a short break and we're going to work on this telephone, and we'll get some more video of it as we move along in the repair. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're going to show a little bit about what's going on. We've been through the rotary, and that's been taken care of. We checked the bell circuit to make sure everything was working properly there, went into the network and checked all the connections and made sure that that was wired properly. We also replaced the modular line plug, so that has been taken care of. Now we have a T1 transmitter here, and because we have one last issue, we checked the handset cord, and that needs to be cleaned up, and Patty's going to do that, but the issue with this telephone was it does not transmit, so we want to go ahead and plug the telephone in it has seized the analyzer there, and we want to dial a 2, and now I want to transmit. Now, when I'm transmitting into the handset, this red light here should be lit. It should light up as I'm transmitting. Now, if I tap on it, you can barely see the light. And it may not even be picking it up on the video. So what we want to do is we want to change that. So I'm going to go ahead and take our replacement transmitter, and we'll take the old one and remove it. We'll put in our replacement, and now you can start seeing that light. Every time I transmit into the handset, that light is an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hello, hello. So we know that our transmit is working now. We'll check our dial tone. Give you some dial tone. Now what we can do is we can put the telephone back together again and start our final checks. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are ready to start our final checks. So we want to go ahead and ring the telephone. I'm going to let that go one more time. Give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers, so if you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset like earlier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every time you see that red light, it's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. So we know that this telephone is ringing in on a ring cycle. It has receive, transmit, and it's dialing out. I have a button here on the switch box, and we can push that, and that'll give us a line out and totally take the analyzer out of the situation. And we'll call a time and temp number. And they're having problems with their equipment, so you'll hear the recording start, and then you'll hear a hum, and then the recording will start again. So we'll go ahead and make that call, give you some dial tone.
Good morning. Today is Tuesday, October 29th. The time is 12:34. Current temperature at 56 degrees. Becoming mostly cloudy tonight, lows in the mid-40s. Tuesday, showers likely in the morning. Chance of a shower and a thunderstorm in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-60s.
Okay. We can also call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. Now that we know that this telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Patty. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.